Welcome back for our second training with WordQ, the word prediction software program that we use in our district. We left off creating a sentence. Today is Friday. We're going to show you some more advanced features of the word processor. Of the word prediction program, shown here being used in Word. So here we go. If you go up here to Options, I was just showing you how you could change the prediction settings of the program. So you could have the words in the box, the predicted words show vertically or horizontally. You can have them follow the text cursor or leave them in one place on the page. I like the settings that are the default settings. They work well. You can also predict new words that I use. You could predict words from a WordQ dictionary only. A lot of options you can make. Let's go back now to options, and this time I want to show you how to create your own word list for a student. It's very easy to do. Well, before we do that, let's just show you what can be done. Up here on the window, there's something called Topic. These are dictionaries. You can create a topic dictionary about a subject. For instance, if I select the one that comes with the program, Sample Baseball, that dictionary is now active. And when I start to write,
Today is Friday.
If I wrote about baseball, certain words will come up. Mother, let's see if mother comes up. There it is.
Mother.
Took.
Took.
There's me. You don't have to use a selection. You can type if you know the word.
Me.
To.
A.
Baseball. Now I'm putting in B, and all of a sudden, ball.
Baseball. Bases. Batter.
A lot of baseball words.
Bases. Batter. I made the pancake batter today. Baseball.
You just saw an example of usage. You hold the mouse over a word, it gives you an example, like a usage
Batter.
of the word.
I made the pancake batter today. Bases.
Some words have usage and some don't.
Ball. Throw me the ball.
You see that little arrow? If you see that arrow, that's a usage. It'll give you a demonstration of how to use it in a sentence. Mother took me to a baseball.
Game. Mother took me to a baseball game.
That's very handy. Now, how did we do that? Well, that baseball game came with the program. But if you want to make a topic dictionary, say you're studying a unit in science or social studies, you go to My Words, which is a user's words. There's the main dictionary, which shows like what you chose in the beginning for the user, starter, intermediate, or advanced, shows the words. You could do, to check words and spelling, you could do something here, but we're going to go to topics. We want to start a new one. Let's call it geography, just for the sake of an example. All right. In that dictionary, now there's nothing, but we want to add a word. Let's add the word continents. We're going to add that word to the dictionary. Let's add oceans. Okay. One by one, I could add words that have to do with geography. Let's do the Andes Mountains. Okay. Let's do the, the Nile. Right? Nile is a river, right? Let's do Sahara. These are words I just added to my dictionary. Another thing you can do is you could import lists and lists of words. If you find a text file, for instance, of all geographical terms, you can import it to your library. But let's say now that this is done, all right, up here in WordQ, I have baseball and geography. And if I turn on geography and now want to write some more, maybe we'll do something with the mountains. The tall
tall.
Andes, let's see. There's Andes now where it wasn't
Andes.
the Andes and Pacific. You're seeing
Pacific.
the words. Ocean. Oh, there we go.
Ocean, ocean.
These words now come up in your dictionary.
Are.
Large.
Large, large.
Let's listen to it.
The tall Andes and Pacific Ocean are large.
There's a poorly written sentence, but you see it's the example. That's how you use the My Words Topics Dictionary. You can also add new words to the main dictionary, like family members' names, important stuff to each student. Hope this was helpful to you. Use this program as much as possible. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. One last thing. Once a student is done, you might want to hear or replay each sentence. You highlight the text and then come up and hit read.
Today is Friday. Mother took me to a baseball game. The tall Andes and Pacific Ocean are large.
And there you have it. We'll see you next time with the next tip on WordQ.